What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you step by step on how to draw Propeller Mario. Now we're going to be drawing our character from a side profile. So we'll start on the top right side of our page with the nose. Let's start from the inside. It's going to curve this all the way around like an oval. Come down towards the bottom. I'm just going to pull that up. We're going to leave an open gap on the inside. Let's move over towards the left side and draw an oval for the eye. We're going to start right here. Go up towards the top of the eye. Round this out and come along the bottom. Now you want to move over and tuck the right eye in behind the nose. We're going to start from the top, go up, and then bend that down. Now I want to have our character looking towards us, so we're going to move the iris and pupil towards the left side. Let's start up here, draw another oval, going all the way around, and then out, and then we'll tuck in the right side. Let's trace that oval along the inside for the pupil. Let's add a small circle along the top of the pupil for the highlight. And we'll fill the bottom in black. Now I want to layer the mustache in underneath the nose. So we'll start from the left side, step down, cut this around the eye, and then bend that up. Let's add some bumps along the bottom. Come down and then in. Let's add another curve. Coming down and up. Now I just want to work our way across the bottom of the nose. Just adding these curves. Just add a couple more. And the last one we're just going to tuck in along the side of the nose. Let's add the mouth along the bottom of the mustache. Start with a curve coming down and then up. Add a small curve along the top of the teeth, and then from the left side, bend the tongue going out and down, and then we'll fill in the right side. Now just underneath the mouth, we're going to add a curve to the lip, coming down and then up. Let's step down, curve the right cheek going all the way around and up underneath the mustache. Let's go back up to the top and draw the brim of the helmet. We're going to start on the outside on the left, bend this up above the eyes, and then go out. I just want to round out the hat brim, and just pull that in just beside the eye. Now I'm going to close off the side of the head, starting from the nose, bend this up, and then in. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to draw the top of the hat brim going up, and then down towards the outside. We're going to go up, round out the top, and then come down. Now I want to tuck the eyebrows in underneath the hat brim. Let's start on top of the left eye, then it's in and then down. Let's go on top of the right eye and do the same thing. And just taper that up to add some thickness, and we'll fill that in black. Now let's draw the outside of the eyebrow, coming around the eye, along the side. And then again, just tapering that up, and then we'll fill that in. Let's go back underneath the lip on the left side and draw the top of the shoulder. Start by curving this out and then up. Let's round out the shoulder and then bend that down towards the wrist. Now let's go back and layer the edge of the helmet in behind the shoulder. Let's start from the top of the hat brim. Curve this up, go around, come down, just tuck that in on top of the shoulder. Let's go back to the bottom corner of the hat brim, add a trim coming around and then in, and we'll bend that down on top of the shoulder. Let's draw the right side of the helmet, starting underneath the hat brim, curve this around and down in behind the nose. Now from the cheek, just going to add a bump, going out and back in. Let's add some hair coming out from the left side. Come down and in, bend that out, and then add one more bump. And now we're going to draw a large circle going all the way around the outside of the helmet. Let's start on top of the hat brim, go all the way up toward the top. I'm just going to round this out, go all the way around. Now I just want to tuck that in behind the shoulder on the left side. Now over on the left side of the helmet, we're going to draw the base of the propeller going up in an angle. Let's start with two straight angle lines going up, close off the top with a curve. From the top corners, let's step in, go up, and then we'll round up the top with a half circle. And now I'm going to draw two propellers on either side. Let's start from the top left, bend this out, round at the end, and just pull that back in. Let's take this and flip it over on the right side, going up and out, round this out, and then we'll pull that back in. Now over on the left side of the helmet, we're going to draw an oval just tucked up against the side. So we go up, come down, and then back up. And then we'll draw the right side of the M. Starting from the top, bend this down and in towards the middle, bend this up, come down, and then in. Let's flatten off the bottom of the M. I'm just going to trace this back along the inside. Going up, down, and then up towards the side. Now that we completed the head, let's continue with the arm. Let's start from the outside of the wrist, bend this in, and then down, and we'll draw the inside of the arm going up and in. Let's round out the cuff with a bracket going in towards the hand, and we'll close off the bottom with another curve. Now we're going to spread the hand out along the end. So we'll start from this point, start with the thumb, bending this down and in, round out the tip of the thumb, and just pull that up. Now you want to leave a gap and draw the index finger, going out and then up, round out the finger, and then bend that back in. Let's layer the second finger in behind, starting out here, going out, around, and then in. Now the last two fingers, just going to pull this down along the bottom, going out and just tucking that up underneath. Now let's do that one more time. Just leave a gap along the inside. Just close off the top of the hand with a curve going on top of the finger. Now from the inside of the thumb, draw the edge of the palm going out and then up. Step down, draw another curve going in behind the finger. Let's add that trim along the top of the shoulder. Start with a curve coming in and down. I'm going to follow this curve going up and in underneath the chin. And now we're going to go underneath the bottom lip and draw the body. Just going out, go around the belly, and then down towards the bottom. Let's bend the leg, coming down, and then out. Let's round out the bottom of the pant leg, going out and then up towards the back. Now you want to follow the same curve, coming in around the thumb, and then up. Let's curve the back of the body, going up underneath the arm. Now from this bottom point of the pant, we're going to step up, curve the back leg, going out and up, and we'll follow the same curve going in behind the thumb and up behind the body. Now we want to draw on the front foot. From this point, step down, curve the heel, and then we'll round out the bottom of the foot, coming down and then out. Let's round out the top of the foot, going up towards the top, and then in towards the outside of the pant. Let's draw that same heel along the back. Start by rounding this out, and then just tucking that in. Let's separate the heel and the front of the sole. Start from down here, draw a straight line, follow that curve coming in, and then pull that up. Now the back foot, I'm just going to tuck this in behind. Let's go back to this top point. Just going to bend this down, follow the curve of the foot, coming over towards the front, and just pull that up underneath. Now we're going to go back and add the belt. Let's start from the back, curve this down, and then up towards the front, step up, and draw that again. Let's add a seam across the side of the body, starting underneath the arm, then it's down in behind the belt, continue along the bottom, along the leg, and down towards the ankle. Now let's add the edge of the buckle on the front, stepping in, curve this down and in, Now add a stripe just along the edge of the body, starting underneath the lip. Just follow the curve of the body. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Propeller Mario. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. And if you want to keep drawing with me, you want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you again soon.